Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix an unknown network error has occurred in Instagram. Now we will discuss how you can fix that error. So without wasting any time, let's move to the solution. The first solution is as you have to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. For this you have to check your data connection and mobile data connection if you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If doesn't work, you can also check your router device and you can also restart it so that nothing can be a problem from that. After that, what you have to do is you have to clear data and cache from your Instagram app. For this you have to go to settings. After that you have to click on apps. In apps you have to scroll down and you have to click on Instagram. In Instagram, what you have to do is you have to clear the cache from the Instagram app so that your app can be offloaded. This option is also available as offload app in iOS device. If this also doesn't work, then there is also another solution, which is as what you have to check is you have to check whether you have provided all kind of necessary permissions to Instagram app. If this is also okay and this is not working, then there is also another solution, which is as you have to check for Instagram app update. For this you have to open the Play Store, open the Instagram in the Play Store and check for the update. After that you can also check for restart your device and you have to open it again so that it can work for you. After doing all things, then this is not working, then there is the last solution which will work for the most devices, which is as you have to search for Instagram Lite. In Instagram Lite you can easily solve that kind of error without much effort. As you can see, I am searching Instagram Lite and you have to install Instagram Lite, and this kind of error will not occur on the Instagram Lite. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.